Good morning, good evening, good night from wherever you are watching us. Welcome again into this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to use 11labs.io. Now, 11labs.io is a generative voice AI where you get advanced voice generated using AI. Now, you'll bear with me witness that we have several sites where you can get your voice produced, and sometimes the voice sounds so robotic. But when it comes to 11labs.io, the voice sounds so humanistic. And then the beauty with this is that when we come to the pricing at the top, basically you first go to 11labs.io, and I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. If you come to pricing here at the top, you notice that the plans are very friendly. We have the free version for hobbyists who want to try out prime speech synthesis, and that is free forever. And then we have the prime or the starter, and then we have the starter that goes for $5 per month, and then we have the creator that goes for $22 per month. If you now look at what is available for the three plans, you notice that for the first plan, you have the long form speech synthesis, and you don't have a commercial license. Comparing that with the second plan here is that the commercial license is included. Of course, in the third one also it is there. So I would say that 11labs AI is very affordable when you look at those plans. So now how do we use 11labs.io? So if we go back to the homepage, when you want to start it first, you don't even have to sign up for any account. You simply come to the homepage here and you just type what you need to listen to here. So I'll type a message here and then I'll give you a chance to listen to it. So I have typed here, "Hello there. This is your driver speaking. Please close the windows." So if I click on play.
"Hello there. This is your driver speaking. Please close the windows."
So that's how it sounds. We can also change the character here. You see we have pre-made Adam, we have Anthony, we have Arnold, we have Bella. So let's say, for instance, click on Bella. So you notice even with this part without logging in, you can do up to 333 characters here. You notice here we have all the number of characters you can do here. But for you to do more characters, you need to sign up for an account or sign in if you have an account. So let us sign up. You simply sign up with you click on sign up, then you sign up with your email and a password. So I'll put my email there and the password here. And then I click on sign up. And then a link will be sent to my email. So I'll go back to my email to just confirm that. And that is what you do. You notice we have our email here from 11labs. You simply open that and you click on verify email. Then you click on close there. It requires you to sign in now or to log in. You still do the same with the same details that you have registered with. That is the email and the password. And then you click on that arrow. And with that, it brings you now here where you have the 11labs speech synthesis, where you can unleash the power of technology, that is AI technology. So now here you notice we have this voice lab, we have voice library, we have the history, and then we have the resources. Down here, this is where you do your settings. Like if you notice here, if I click on that, I have these voices. I have Adam, and if you want to listen, you click on that play, and then you'll be able to listen to the voice of Adam. You can select Anthony, you can select whichever voice. So you select any voice that you want there. You can also add a voice here. If you click on add voice, you can add generative or cloned voice, and no voices created yet. You simply click on add voice to create your first one here. So if I click on that, I need the type of voice to create. Is it a voice design, instant voice cloning, or is it from the voice library? So you choose one and then you can create that. So for now, we'll not create that voice. So we go back here for the voice settings. Here, after choosing the person here, we have chosen Rachel. So for the voice settings, you can choose stability, And then you can choose clarity, which is more of enhancement. And then you can also set that to default. Then for the 11 English, you can choose the version here. You can either use the 11 version 1 or 11 multilingual version 1. And with the second one, you generate lifelike speech in multiple languages and create content that resonates with a broader audience. So for instance, you need a speech that has a certain dialect or a certain accent. You notice here we already have Portuguese, we have Hindi, we have Spanish, we have Polish. All these are the things you do. But the limitations is that some members and symbols may currently be pronounced incorrectly at this stage. But again, this may be corrected later on as ElevenLabs IO gets developed. So you can choose one here depending on what you want. Then down here, this is where you type or paste the text that you want. You can simply type it in Word document and then you copy and paste, but you can also paste it manually here. So let's do that. So I have typed there, Kenya is the land of milk and honey, as it is written in the good book. So now I can now change the settings here as I showed you. But then if I come down here, I can click on generate. So I click on generate. So it's now generating. So, and if now we listen to that, this is the voice of Rachel. And I'll click on play, then you listen.
Kenya is the land of milk and honey, as it is written in the good book.
And that is how it sounds. So you can come at the top here again, change the voice. And then I come down here and again click on generate, so that now I generate the same script, so that I can generate the same script using Arnold voice. Let me play that.
Kenya is the land of milk and honey, as it is written in the good book.
So that is how it sounds. So once you generate your audio, this is where you now download. You click on this drop down arrow that way, and then you give it a name and you click on save, and your audio will be downloaded. Then we have this arrow here facing down. If you click on that, you now notice the details that we had disappear and we now get to the lower part. So in case you didn't see the part for download, this is where you correct that. You simply click on that arrow so that you can have access to all this. So I hope this has been helpful. That is how you use ElevenLabs IO. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.